a big yellow board on top of my plants. So you might sorry for the noise, there's some construction activity happening nearby. So I have this big board that's standing right smack in the middle of my plants. For example, I have one here, this another one here, and you can see it's dotted all over. That is not a design. This was bright yellow. It's still bright yellow. It was totally clean bright yellow when it started. But at this time of the year, just before the onset of the cold season, lot of whiteflies and other small insects that can kill a plant. In fact, they've actually killed some of the brinjals I used to have earlier. I do all the other things. I don't spray chemicals, so I will spray neem or something else as an insecticide. Sometimes, many times they haven't worked really all that much. This one seems to work much better. It's just a fly trap, sticky thing that I mount on a stick or something, and as they're flying nearby, these whiteflies, aphids and others, they stick to it. So if you see closely, lot of them, in fact whiteflies you can see are stuck all over it, the aphids as well, which is similarly the case here. This one literally totally present, I mean so many, and yet they also impact the plant, but with this particular protection they impact it less. I mean in this location I had a brinjal die out last year. Nothing I could do to protect it. By the time I bought this fly trap, this yellow fly trap, by that time the plant had gone beyond recognition. All the leaves had drooped and were falling. If you turned over a leaf, you would just see white eggs everywhere. But this time, as I showed you the leaf is in a much better state. This provides a lot of protection. So I have done this in multiple locations in my kitchen garden, terrace garden, because I want to make sure my plants stay healthy. Okay, this was a quick video. If you find some value in this or just want to encourage me, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.